Therefore, investing 3.5 billion Kenya shilling and banking on SJAK support to drive our objective of supporting the growth of local sports. Finally, I'd like to express our gratitude to SJAK and therefore continued partnership, cooperation, and collaboration. And we look forward to another successful year of the celebrating excellence in sports and rewarding deserving the sports personality and across all disciplines.
We are looking forward to this, and also probably next year I hope we can make it better. I know this year we maintain the same amount that we've been working with, but probably next year with your blessings we can make it better.